Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fistner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, I did save you some time on watching. I'll try to stick to 10 minutes. We've got more from Aliexpress deliveries. One came Lenovo speaker. I don't know how it's working. Think Plus BT version, Bluetooth version, speaker K30. We will see. I don't know. And then first time failed Aliexpress with their choice. They've packed it only in that bag, and look what the condition came bulb. This is a moving sensor, so it should sense that somebody is approaching and turn on the light and then switch it off. It has 85% efficiency saving. No, that's not what I wanted. It's 250 to 600 lumens. Yes, but let's switch to the webcam. I mean to the screen, and let's look. Okay, so I've ordered it on the 11th, and today we've got a 17th. So only, guys, 6 days. 6 days took them to buy it, and I bought it on at the evening of the 11th. So that's wow, you know, like $5.95 for 3 of those items. Confirm receipt. We received these. Keep in mind those cheap USB pen drives, these are really slow. Yes, like USB 2, not USB 3. Don't count that it's a USB 3. And it's good for data backup, and it will be lying, but it's not good if you permanently, or music playing, but it's not good, you know, for the video with you know, high speed required. Okay, so don't buy these cheap pen drives. You know, $5.95 for 3 items. Come on, you know, it's like, let's face it, it's super cheap. Yes, so £6, it's okay. Yes. This speaker was costing $760, K30 as well, that came. And I got these, as you could see here. I'll show you what was in the detail. Confirm receipt. Oh no, that's the next order that I haven't, that will come, because I'm trying to see how those this one came. I didn't show you this one. Yeah, the same pen drives for the backup is okay. And first time I bought these, it's a really nice set of pliers for the workshop, guys. I can say it should be bought earlier, so either you can buy on AliExpress them, what they are called, diagonal pliers, carbon steel pliers. You can rewind to the place where I'm showing. They are really good for cutting everything, not only wires but as well wick. When I'm doing OC, I'm using it all the time. I can say it's not great quality of those, but it's good enough. Let's switch and I'll show you which ones they were, because I'm walking, and these are these, but it's okay. I had them. I didn't show you this because it's no point. Oh, here they are. Yes, confirm receipt. 2 pieces. So yeah, it was cheap, you know. I paid like $10.47 for 2 of them, which is, you know, awesome. Yes, 11 days delivery. For the price, they are just wow. Yes, they are just wow, because I'm going to the toilet and forgetting my phone, and then I'm ending up not picking up the phone call from the client. So yeah, it's really not nice. But anyways, I don't have a socket here to turn on, so I'll be testing it, and if this is a rubbish, okay, I'll pin the comment under this video in about week time from the date of the release, no later than that, and I'll put why I think it's rubbish and don't buy these things. Yes, with a sensor of the movement. I want it because my boy's forgetting to switch off the light, and I want to see how this will help us at home with that issue. If that will help, good. Yes, good. That will you know, that will be good, because you can repeat yourself every so often, but sometimes it's just easier to mount stupid proof solutions. We shouldn't, you know, but the young one has 5 years, so I want to give him a bit more time. So yeah, remember about those pen drives, these are really slow, and if you would go for the performance, you need to look at the SATA 3 standard and then get SATA 3. About the speaker, Bluetooth speaker, we are using one, my wife is using one, which is Sony, bought here in PC World Carries. Oh, those are coming with this box. Yes, have the one button here for the battery, so you can see how much battery has left, and cable, micro USB cable. Yes, that's the second one. That's how they are looking. It's only one set of those, so either you will be fine with it or you won't. Yes, so the price, you know, says everything. Oh, you get a handle in Lenovo. That's a nice touch. You get a wee cable. That's micro USB. That's not USB-C. Micro USB. So the charge won't be too quick, if you know. Okay. And a wee leaflet. It's a just Chinese and I think English as well. I think we can figure it out. Okay, so Think Plus, Lenovo, here is this. Oh, and here are the buttons. So the buttons are at the bottom. And what else? No jack, so definitely a minus for me, because sometimes you can have phone lying somewhere and you could plug in the jack to it. I know I'm exaggerating, I know, but hey ho. Just saying, 5 volts, 500 milliamperes, 1200 milliamperes battery. For that price, guys, £7 something. Okay, so if we will press the power button single time, something will happen, nothing will happen. Okay, when we will press and hold, okay, we've got a sound. So now probably will be a Bluetooth mode, but which one I should connect? Can I connect my headphones? I don't need to connect my headphones. We can go here to Bluetooth devices, and we can add a Bluetooth device and add device, Bluetooth, Bravia W mic. I don't know how it should be found. Oh, Think Plus K, there is a Chinese Think Plus K30. Now it is a sound. Okay, so let us find if there will be music playing and this won't be licensed, and I can play it. So license free music. Okay, mix license free music. Okay, royalty free music, no copyright music. Okay, do we have anything in place? Don't buy this, guys. I'm telling you, it's mid-range voice. Okay, it's not something I would spend money on. Okay, that's the music which we had, royalty free music. surface, an even surface. Just for a comparison, I'll switch on my audio, which is nothing to compare, of course, but I don't know if you can distinguish the difference through this mic, but for me it's like no high tones and no mid tones. So yes, it is an outdoor speaker with its own battery, so maybe if you don't use your screen because you're just transmitting, you might be saving your battery, let's say, yes. Or if you work outside and you don't want to, you know, have your phone playing all the time. I mean playing, but you know, not using the display. But what's the purpose for this device in that case? I'm not happy with the quality. It is a Bluetooth speaker. What I would extend it with now, it would be small subwoofer. That's what I would do. Literally, I'm not even joking here. I would see here a speaker which would be a base for it, yes, and then that speaker would be a subwoofer, you know, to have at least some bass in it. This Lenovo K30, don't buy it unless you wanna have good quality. Don't get me wrong, it's for sure it's not a bad quality, it's Lenovo, but no. Maybe we can open it one day. Maybe I can do a video to open it and to see what's inside and what we could improve based on this design. See the range of the music as well, you know, measure the high tones and the low tones, and then compare it with their, because they should have specification on this one, and then, you know, maybe see what we could do. Maybe use different speakers, or because that's one speaker, so maybe use two speakers or something. Use the same Bluetooth module, use the same amplifier, yes, use the same steering, yes, why not? If no, try to connect it through the ESP32. Maybe I never done it, so that would be my first time. But I can say I'm not happy, and don't buy it. I know it's cheap, and that's the first product which I've got regrets on buying from Aliexpress. I didn't test this one yet, so I don't know. But if you're gonna buy some Bluetooth speaker, make sure to read reviews and just don't buy something which sound mid-range, rather than, you know, having a bass. My wife's Sony speaker, we were liking it so much, and she likes it, that we've showed it to my mom, and she was saying, oh, nice, you know, nice sound out of it. You can get them in PC World cars. And then on Christmas time we bought her as a gift, yes. It was dear, it wasn't really cheap, but to be true, only the speaker can make a huge difference. So I'm surprised that if they are selling something like this, why not make it a few pounds dearer and put better speaker? And I know that will make a whole difference because I'm working with audio devices. So why you would save just few quid to sell product, if you can say, sell something which will wow people. People will say, wow, you know, instead of paying for Sony, you could get this one. I know it's £7 something, and that one is much dearer. You can go to Caris on the website, you will see the difference. But you know, even if this would be £10 dearer, that's still cheaper than that Sony. So why not put those few quid for them, you know, more, and those few quid sell it dearer, and then have a good product which people can, you know, say, yeah, I want a Lenovo. That's me. End of story. Apart from that, I don't know how long, but probably with this speaker with no bass, that can hold longer. Because there's no bass. So yeah. But then if I would have bass speaker, I could add more of those. It's not a problem, it would last as well for a long time. Anyways guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. It's 15 minutes video. What else I wanted to show you? That's it. That's pretty much it. There was few more things, but it's okay. Hopefully you see don't buy K30 from Lenovo. That's not an upgrade. If you've got anything old, use it and then save up and buy something better. K30 is a bad purchase in my humble opinion, unless you don't care much about the quality of the low and high tones in the audio system, then you will be happy with it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.